We're in Algonac, Michigan, building a French drain system. Basically, I just wanted to emphasize how important it is to take pictures after the rain events to show just what's happening as far as the ponding, pooling, where the water's lying. Okay, that is this area right here. So we already cut out the sod and we are going to start trenching this area. The next picture right there, we've actually trenched from the seawall right to where you see the excavator. So we've been working on this for a couple days now. It's a big system. As you can see, this lot is really flat. A lot of lots out in Algonac, Harsens Island area, they're extremely flat and it's difficult to put in a French drain system. You have to usually go to a pump, and that's what we do. We actually have this run done. Because of the way the water's set, some of it's going to have to be graded and seeded, but we already have the pipe in the ground. The water continued down the side of the garage, so we ran the pipe. I can't emphasize enough how important it is to take pictures so that when you call a professional to come out and quote you a French drain system, they can see exactly what is occurring. Water tells the whole story. You can try to describe the situation, but the picture basically is worth more than 1,000 words. This is again done. This has been, well, this is where we started yesterday. We finished this run. You're looking at a huge system. There's 400 feet of French drain on this side. And we have the majority of the French drain system on the other side excavated. We're starting to lay fabric and put in pipe and stone. When looking for a French drain in Algonac or the Harsens Island area, give us a call.